Did you know that pairing blueberries with certain foods can lead to vision loss? Did you know that even blueberries, those tiny guardians of eye health, have their friend and foe when it comes to food pairings? Yes, blueberries, brimming with antioxidants and known for their vision-protecting prowess, can be part of some less-than-ideal culinary duos. Fear not, for I've gathered a treasure trove of wisdom on this very topic. I'm about to reveal the top 3 culinary allies and adversaries of blueberries, guiding you towards safeguarding your sight with every bite. Here are 3 best blueberry combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is blueberries and dark leafy greens, spinach, kale. Dark leafy greens are high in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients crucial for eye health. Pairing them with blueberries maximizes the intake of antioxidants, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress and improve visual health. All right, brace yourselves for a culinary duo that'll make your eyes sparkle with joy and maybe just a hint of superhero confidence. Imagine this: blueberries and dark leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, teaming up in your salad bowl. It's like hosting a party where the guests are all geared up to safeguard your peepers. Let's talk about blueberries first. These little blue dynamos are bursting with antioxidants. They're like the tiny, but mighty, guardians of your sight, fighting off the nasty villains of oxidative stress. Now, introduce spinach and kale to the mix, the green guardians high in lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are like the secret agents of eye health, specializing in protecting the retina and lens. When you combine these forces, you're not just munching on a tasty dish. You're actually marshaling a powerful army of antioxidants and eye-protecting nutrients. This combination is like a strategic alliance that maximizes the defense mechanism against the bad guys, aka oxidative stress, which is known for causing all sorts of havoc, from age-related macular degeneration to cataracts. But why this combo rocks your socks off? The blend of blueberries with dark leafy greens ensures that your body gets a synergistic boost of antioxidants. It's like they're having a little powwow, strategizing on the best way to keep your eyes sparkling and clear. The high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin from the greens join forces with the antioxidant power of blueberries, creating a protective shield around your peepers. It's your personal eye health-boosting squad, ready to defend against the oxidative stress villains at a moment's notice. So, the next time you're whipping up a meal, think about inviting blueberries and their leafy green pals to the party. Your eyes will thank you with every bite, and who knows, you might just see the world in a brighter, clearer light. Keep those antioxidants coming, and let's toast to a vision that's as sharp as your culinary skills. Number 2 is blueberries and seeds, chia, flaxseed, or hemp seeds. These seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to support eye health by combating dry eye syndrome and macular degeneration. Adding blueberries to a smoothie or yogurt with these seeds can enhance the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, further supporting vision repair. Roll up your sleeves and get ready to blend your way to eye health nirvana. This time, we're talking about the dream team: blueberries and super seeds. Think chia, flaxseed, or hemp seeds. It's like combining Batman and Robin, but for your eyes and with more fiber. First off, blueberries. These little blue bundles of joy are not just tasty. They're packed with antioxidants that are like tiny shields for your eyes, fighting off the bad guys, those pesky free radicals that want to mess with your vision. Then, enter the seeds chia, flaxseed, and hemp seeds, the unsung heroes of the nutritional world. These little guys are not just for birds. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are like the cool aunts and uncles of the eye health world. They help combat dry eyes and protect against macular degeneration, all while telling great stories, scientifically speaking. When you mix blueberries with these seeds, you're not just making a smoothie, you're crafting a potion of eye magic. This combo boosts the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant firepower, which is like giving your eye health an Iron Man suit. The omega-3 fatty acids from the seeds and the antioxidants from the blueberries come together in a tag team of tasty eye protection. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie that's not only Instagram-worthy but also packed with everything your eyes could ever want. Blueberries for the antioxidants, seeds for the omega-3s. It's like sending your peepers to a spa, but nutritionally. And let's be honest, who doesn't want their eyes feeling like they've just had the best vacation? So, next time you're in the kitchen, think of your blender as a magic wand for eye health. Throw in some blueberries, sprinkle in those seeds, And voila, you've got yourself a concoction that's a feast for your eyes, literally. Cheers to happy, healthy peepers. Number 3 is blueberries and nuts, almonds, walnuts. Nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which, when combined with the antioxidants found in blueberries, can significantly protect the eyes from oxidative damage and aid in maintaining healthy vision. Picture this: blueberries and nuts, almonds, walnuts, teaming up like the dynamic duos of snack world, ready to leap into action for your eye health. It's not just a tasty treat. It's a vision-protecting powerhouse, kind of like a superhero team for your eyeballs. Why is this combo super? Let's start with nuts. Almonds and walnuts aren't just for those awkward holiday nut bowls anymore. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, making them like the nutritional equivalent of a big, cozy hug for your eyes. Omega-3s are the cool, slick agents keeping your eyes lubricated and fighting off the dreaded dry eye, while vitamin E is the silent guardian, warding off age-related damage. Enter blueberries, the caped crusaders of the fruit world, bursting with antioxidants that battle against oxidative stress. This stress isn't about your eyes feeling overworked and needing a vacation. It's about protecting them from damage on a cellular level, ensuring your vision stays sharp and your eyes, well, youthful and sparkly. When you mix blueberries with almonds or walnuts, it's like forming an unbeatable squad in the quest for maintaining stellar vision. The antioxidants from the blueberries team up with the omega-3s and vitamin E from the nuts to form a protective barrier against the forces of eye health darkness. Imagine sprinkling a handful of almonds or walnuts over a bowl of fresh blueberries. Not only is it an Instagram-worthy snack, but it's also your eye's best defense in the tasty form. It's like sending your peepers to the gym, but much more delicious and without the sweaty gym socks. So, the next time you're pondering a snack, remember the power of blueberries and nuts. Together, they're not just food. They're fuel for your vision, keeping your eyes as sharp as your wit. Now, that's a snack worth cracking a nut or a blueberry for. Now let's talk about the 3 worst blueberry combinations for vision repair. Number 1 is blueberries and sugary foods or beverages. Consuming blueberries with high sugar items can negate their health benefits. High sugar intake can lead to increased risk of developing conditions like diabetic retinopathy, which harms vision. Sugar can also trigger inflammation, counteracting the anti-inflammatory benefits of blueberries. Imagine blueberries, those tiny, powerful orbs of eye health, getting mixed up with the wrong crowd sugary foods and beverages. It's like seeing a superhero teaming up with villains, expecting to save the city. Spoiler alert, it doesn't end well for our eye health. But why sugar and blueberries don't mix? Blueberries come packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory powers, ready to shield our eyes from the bad guys, oxidative stress and inflammation. But when sugar steps into the scene, it's like pouring water on the fire that's cooking your healthy meal. High sugar intake doesn't just whisper sweet nothings into your ear. It shouts health hazards, especially for your eyes. It increases the risk of unsavory conditions like diabetic retinopathy, where high blood sugar goes on a spree, damaging the blood vessels of the retina. Not the kind of sightseeing tour you'd enjoy. And there's more. Sugar has a knack for triggering inflammation. So, those anti-inflammatory perks of blueberries? Sugar basically puts them in a headlock, counteracting their benefits and leaving your eyes more vulnerable to damage. Pairing blueberries with a sugary drink or dessert is like dressing them in a superhero costume, then tying their shoelaces together. They're all dressed up, ready to go, but that sugar is going to make them trip at the starting line. In the grand feast of life, it's best to serve your blueberries with a side of healthy choices, not sugar-laden foes. Keep the sugar at bay, and let those blueberries shine in their full, antioxidant-rich glory, keeping your vision as sharp and sweet as the berries themselves, minus the actual sugar, of course. Number 2 is blueberries and highly processed foods. Processed foods often contain trans fats and other unhealthy fats that can lead to cardiovascular issues, potentially worsening eye health by affecting the blood vessels that nourish the eyes. These foods can diminish the positive effects of blueberries on vision health. Pairing blueberries with highly processed foods is like having a superhero team up with a sidekick who's accidentally glued their boots to the ground. Sure, the intention is there, but the execution? Far from heroic. Blueberries, those little blue dynamos, are packed with goodies for your eyes, fighting off villains like oxidative stress with their antioxidant capes flying. But when they join forces with processed foods, it's a plot twist nobody asked for. Highly processed foods often come loaded with trans fats and other nutritional no-goods, sneaking their way into your body and starting trouble. Think of them as the henchmen of poor health, particularly adept at causing chaos in your cardiovascular system. Since your eyes rely on a network of tiny, delicate blood vessels for nourishment and oxygen, any trouble in cardiovascular city spells bad news for vision health. So, what happens when our hero, Blueberries, pairs up with the not-so-great influence of processed foods? It's like watching a buddy cop movie where the partners are working against each other. The Blueberries are doing their best, neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, while their processed partners are busy clogging up the works, leading to potential issues like impaired blood flow to the eyes. This not only diminishes the heroic efforts of the Blueberries, but can also leave your vision stranded on the sidelines. Instead of this mismatched pairing, think of teaming up Blueberries with foods that support their mission whole, unprocessed foods that complement their eye health-boosting properties. It's about creating a dynamic duo where both partners are working towards the same goal, keeping your vision sharp and your eyes healthy. So, let's leave those processed foods on the cutting room floor and give our blueberry heroes the psychic they deserve. Number 3 is blueberries and excessive caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake might not be harmful, excessive consumption can lead to dehydration, affecting the overall hydration of the body, including the eyes. This can negate the beneficial effects of blueberries on eye hydration and health. Pairing blueberries with an overabundance of caffeine is akin to adding a sprinting session right after a relaxing spa day for your eyes. It's confusing and counterproductive. Blueberries come in like a cool breeze on a hot day, full of promises to hydrate and protect your peepers with their antioxidant powers. But excessive caffeine is like the unexpected gust that scatters everything away. Sure, a cup of joe or tea can be a delightful companion to your berry snack, but too much caffeine acts like a party crasher, turning the hydration party into a bit of a dry event. Imagine your body as a well-tended garden, with blueberries providing the nourishment and moisture it needs to flourish. Now, throw in excessive caffeine, and suddenly it's like forgetting to water the garden on a scorching summer day. Caffeine, in large doses, can lead to dehydration, not just making you thirsty but also affecting the natural hydration of your eyes. Dry eyes, irritation, and discomfort can soon follow, making you wish for a more hydrating companion for your blueberries. A splash of caffeine can complement your healthy diet, but remember, balance is key. Think of it as casting for a buddy movie. You want leads that enhance each other's strengths. Let blueberries be the hydrating hero your eyes need, with just a hint of caffeine as the supportive sidekick, ensuring your vision stays sharp, hydrated, and ready for whatever plot twists life throws your way. All right, adventurers in the culinary and health odyssey, we've ventured through the valleys of vision, navigating the best allies and foes of the mighty blueberry. From the leafy greens and seeds that amplify their eye-protecting prowess to the sugary foes that dampen their superhero abilities, we've covered the terrain. Remember, the power of your vision lies not just in what you see but in what you eat. So, I urge you, fellow vision voyagers, to wield your forks and blenders wisely. Smash that like button if you're ready to embark on this journey of taste and health. Share this treasure trove of wisdom with your fellow explorers, and subscribe to join our ever-growing family of culinary adventurers. Together, let's feast our way to a vision so sharp it rivals the clarity of the blue skies after a storm. Here's to seeing the world in its full splendor, one blueberry combo at a time. Cheers, and until next time, keep your plates adventurous and your vision clear.